Hi, I'm Dwight Agnor, and I'm delighted today to share with you my invention, my creation, and it's called the 15-Day Restoration. It took me years of trying and over again to come up with the exact equation that will work. And everybody who has tried the 15-day restoration has told me positive results. And I'm sure that you will have exciting positive results as well. It's so easy to do. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So I also encourage you to go see some of the other videos on our website, restoration16.com, especially why is Restore so special, where I share the entire history of our wonderful food, and also the video that why does it work so well? And that's what I'm going to share with you right now. The 15-day restoration. Now, it's hard to believe how powerful this Restore can be in just 15 days. And this is all you have to do. In 15 days' time, the first 5 days, 1 through 5, all you do is every morning you get up and you take a glass of water, just a glass, right? And you're going to take 1 tablespoon of Restore. 1 tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. Do not get confused with a teaspoon. This is a teaspoon, right? So 1 tablespoon, and you're going to fill your glass with warm water. Okay? Room temperature water is fine, but warm water is better. And you're just going to stir it and let it sit for about 4 or 5 minutes. And as I show you in the other videos, Restore will absorb 15 times its own weight in water. So this is absorbing water right now. And after 5 minutes, this will turn into a very nice gel, which is very easy to drink. Now, sometimes people say, oh, I don't need this much water, and so they try to do lesser water. Now, I made this only a few minutes ago, maybe 15 minutes ago, okay? You can see very little water, like maybe 1/3 of this water, right? Look at this. You see how thick that is? This is not what you want to do. So please make sure you use a full cup of water, and it will digest just fine. Now, we all know, we've all been told since we were children that the best thing in the morning is to have warm lemon water, right? We all know that. So what I suggest that you do is to just take half a lemon and squeeze it into this warm water with your Restore. You can do that if you like, because then you're doing everything. You're having warm lemon water and your Restore. And you just drink this. Now, please do not eat food before you do this. This is very filling. So drink this, and then try not to eat for about 15 or 20 minutes. I'll tell you a little secret. This is a fact. When you eat, your brain does not know that your tummy is full until 20 minutes after your tummy is full. That's why sometimes if we eat until we feel full, 20 minutes later we feel, oh, ate too much, right? So this is going to be very filling. Remember, this is food, right? If you want to add a little honey to it for taste, you can, because remember, there's no taste at all in the Restore. So if you add a little lemon and a little honey, that's all you're going to taste is the lemon and the honey. And I tell you, in 15 or 20 minutes, you may find that you're not very hungry for anything else, which is fine, because this is food, and it's the most nutritious food on earth. So days 1 through 5, you're only going to do 1 tablespoon, right? And in the morning. And then days 6 through 10, you want to do this 2 times a day. So this is the one you do in the morning. Yeah? And then you're going to do the same thing at the end of your day, right? So you're actually going to do this 2 times a day. Same thing. You come home from work or whenever. There's no specific time. And so you're going to do a second one, right? And then days 11 through 15, you want to do 3 times a day. Once in the morning, once at the end of the day, and you're going to do another one in the middle of the day, right? Now, the best time to do this if you want to do it really perfectly, is to do it before meals. Do it before meals. And I explain the reasons why in the other videos, because this will form a wonderful protective gel in your tummy. And that's it. 1, 2, 3. Now, some people say, well, I have to go to work and it's very difficult for me to do one in the middle of the day. No problem. When you're home, take a small bottle of water, put your 1 tablespoon in, shake it up, take it to work with you. There's no reason not to do this. And I tell you, within 15 days, you'll be amazed at your results. So, what I suggest that you do is to document your story. What does that mean? Well, many of you may have skin problems. Take pictures of your skin. They're your pictures. You're going to keep them. But then you can take pictures again after 15 days, and you'll see the results. If you have high blood pressure, just take a picture of your meter before you start the 15-day restoration plan. And then every few days, take the picture of the meter again and see if it changes. If you have high blood sugar and you take your blood count every day, take pictures before you start and while you're doing your 15-day restoration plan and see what happens. And pay attention to other things. The first thing that most people tell me is that their toilet habits change because they start to go to the toilet more regularly and easier. Constipation tends to go away. Far more energy, more alert, all kinds of things. Now, people ask me about children. Yes, it's wonderful for children. And small children obviously do not do the same thing that you do. So we're going to do about half as much. That's where you use a teaspoon. So you could just add a teaspoon to a child's Milo or to some water and all kinds of recipes that I share with you on the Yummylicious recipe menus on the website. So you can check that out as well. But it's unbelievable for children. And here's a reason why. Did you know that 60% of your brain is omega-3 essential fatty acids? That's what it is. And your body cannot make essential fatty acids. It doesn't make the omega-3s, so you must eat it. And your child is probably not eating it, so they're not feeding their brain. And when you start to feed this to children and their children's brains are still developing, whoa, such amazing results. Try it. You'll see for yourself. So, the 15-day restoration, it works. What can it do for you? There's only one way to find out. Do the 15-day restoration. I'm Dwight Agnor. Thanks for watching, and good luck.